Welcome back. This game is about drawing, memorizing, and describing things in detail. What you need to do is ask two volunteers to step outside the classroom. Okay, once the students leave the classroom, then you're going to start drawing a picture. For example, let's draw a picture of a giraffe eating a tree. When you're finished, you give the students about 10 seconds to remember everything about that picture. What it is, what side the tree is on, what animal it is, what the animal is doing. The two students that are outside will come back inside. Two volunteers now have to listen to what the other students tell them to draw. They can't speak, they can only listen. I usually give the students 20 to 30 seconds to draw the best they can. And after that, we compare the pictures to what the teacher drew, and who's ever the closest is the winner. Here are a few examples I did in class, and the outcomes are pretty hilarious. Enjoy!